In a quaint coastal town nestled between rugged cliffs and the endless expanse of the sea, there whispered tales of a long-lost treasure hidden within the depths of Emerald Cove. For centuries, the locals spoke of it in hushed tones, passing down stories from generation to generation. One stormy evening, as the waves crashed against the rocky shore, a group of intrepid adventurers stumbled upon an old journal in the attic of a dilapidated mansion. Its yellowed pages detailed the adventures of Captain Silas Blackwood, a legendary pirate who roamed the seas centuries ago. Enthralled by the possibility of uncovering the fabled treasure, the group embarked on a journey to unravel the mysteries of Emerald Cove. Armed with the cryptic clues from the journal, they navigated treacherous cliffs, dense jungles, and hidden caves. As they delved deeper into the heart of the island, they encountered challenges that tested their courage and resolve. They braved ancient traps, solved intricate puzzles, and outwitted rival treasure hunters who sought the riches for themselves. Along the way, they forged unbreakable bonds, each member bringing their unique skills to the table. There was Alex, the brilliant archaeologist, Sarah, the fearless navigator, Jack, the skilled survivalist, and Maya, the tech-savvy hacker. Finally, after months of perilous exploration, they reached the legendary Emerald Cove. With the sun setting in hues of gold and crimson, they uncovered the final resting place of Captain Blackwood's treasure. Chests overflowing with glittering jewels, shimmering gold coins, and priceless artifacts lay before them, a testament to the pirates' storied legacy. But as they basked in the glow of their discovery, they realized that the true treasure was not the wealth they had unearthed, but the journey they had undertaken together. For in the pursuit of the lost treasure of Emerald Cove, they had found something far more valuable: friendship, adventure, and the thrill of exploration. And as they sailed into the horizon, their hearts full and spirits soaring, they knew that their adventures were far from over. For wherever there were mysteries to unravel and treasures to discover, they would always be ready to embark on their next great adventure.